We're in 2019, and it's so ironic that the year is 2019. So let's go. PULLMAN Bangkok Hotel G in Bangkok City, and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So when you come in, oh, it looks like, okay, so when you come in, this is where the safe is. You have some drawers for stuff for you to put. This is the closet, some robes in there. And then this is the bathroom. Marsha's in there. Oops, sorry. How you turn on the light? Oh, I know. It's not on? Oh. Hold on. So, this didn't work. I think this is the light. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. That's me. That's Marsha. We are so jet lagged, so tired. This is our tub, bathroom, walk-in shower. And then this is the mini bar. Move this. Oh. Have some drinks and snacks in there, but it looks kind of empty. Then we have stuff to make coffee, peanuts, a little area to put stuff. We have a desk, a TV, LG, and this is the bed. And this is our view. Whoa, this is my first time seeing this. This is pretty nice. So we kind of could see like a little bit of what's going on in the city. We're surrounded by some buildings. That's a pretty cool building. And that's the streets, not that much traffic. And that's Bangkok PULLMAN G Hotel in Bangkok City, Thailand.
33. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing a room tour of our hotel room. We're in 2019 and it's so ironic that the year is 2019. So let's go. So this is the closet with our robes, the safe, flip-flops, our mini fridge with some goodies in there. And we have stuff to make coffee, tea, and then over here is the bathroom. We have, the bathroom is spacious. We have a big tub, bathtub, and a walk-in shower. And then this is where we'll be getting ready in the morning. Got some water. This is a huge full body mirror. A nice little painting. A lovely bed. All right, so let me show you guys the cool part. So now all the lights are off. Over there. And press of a few buttons. Ta-da! I get a backlight when I'm watching TV. And this is the nighttime view. Don't know if you can really see, but that's the city of Bangkok. So that's the room tour.